Hello, my listening. So like this basically things are connected. So here the main is what the land diagram basically which exists inside the body of human body basically. That is the main basically which is already drawn basically. So automatically the energy is going to shift to the land basically. So here one person told that basically. So zoology department basically are studying what actually basically. So 1% of zoology equal to science basically. Zoology equal to science basically. So here one person told ask the question basically. Land creation is base and human creation is base. So 1% told the yes basically. Human creation that contains doctors basically. Land creation that is the zoology group basically that is also doctors. Because the diagram basically that is the land map basically of the south of for example India to South Africa basically underground basically the land map is there na basically they have created the road map basically. So that road map basically is created by zoology, but that basically is converted into human map body basically. So one person told that why this kind of thing is created. So one person told that to remember basically that this kind of human creation that is a human needs basically has to create basically. So one person told that what is the latest new human need basically which is doing process basically under the land basically from latest new caste basically. So one person told that that basically might not be having information because this information doctors also basically might not be having. This information basically mostly zoology department only basically might be having because they have drawn the new natural item and the land map basically of the natural item. Land map of the natural item. Land map of the natural item. So next video see.